Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will show you how to add a submittal manually in Sage Construction Management. I'll be showing you through projects, but the steps are the same with adding a submittal through leads as well. So we are going to start on this home page. You're going to go to the right menu over here, click Projects. You can quick select from the list right here, or you can use the hyperlinks to choose from the same list, but just a different format. Other projects. You're going to choose the project that you want to add a submittal to. Scroll down to Correspondence and go into Submittals. Here in Submittals, you're going to go to the right, click Action, and Add Manually. Your project number should be already in there, same with your issue date and your submittal number. You need to put the subject, and these three things that are already put in there can be changed. You're going to choose the type of submittal and then go down. The originator needs to be chosen. The coordinated by also needs to be chosen, but it will be automatically put in as you. It can be changed though. The main respondent. And then you are able to change any of these addresses as well. The due date can be put in. You don't need to, but it's always helpful. You need to put in the overall description. Then here, you can use response workflow to auto notify the respondents. Then you can put in the default references. So the prime contract, CO number, subcontract, drawing location, spec section. Now, since I chose product data, it would be smart to put a spec section in here. You are next able to do submittal items. So due from originator, when is it due from the originator? Status, is it approved? When you go back in here, you can choose that. Here is your manufacturer. Here you can choose the item dates. So when is it required to be on site? We're going to say all the way over here. Then it will automatically fill out when it's required to be on site as when it needs to be returned. So then once you have done this section, the next section is item dates, default material required on site, design review. So once you choose this date up here, these over here will affect these. So let's say the lead time is 21 days. The design time review is going to be, we're going to give them 21 days as well. An internal review, we're going to give them 21 days. So these times will change due to this. This does not need to be submitted at first. You can go in and edit this as the project goes on. Item dates, so your anticipated delivery date, estimated actual delivery date. Submittal items. And if this was units, since it's a product data, it's not, but you're able to change the units here, or the quantity, and then the units is here as well. The manufacturer, and then the manufacturer part number. You're able to add multiple submittal items in one. Here, you drag the files. Here, you are able to drag the files. You can link existing drawings, photos, or other records, and you can add the files here. Then once the files are added, it will automatically submit. And you can also press skip that step and it will automatically be done. You can go in and edit this anytime that you need to. And that is how you add a submittal in Sage Construction Management.